Yo, I finally got my hands on one of these Ninja SLUSHi machines. They have been sold out everywhere. I finally got one, and we're going to be making the most amazing spiked passion fruit lemonade, baby. This is so freaking good. You definitely gotta give this one a try. Let's not waste any time and get right on into it. To begin, we're gonna just open that hatch up and we're gonna toss in some Publix lemonade. If you know, you know. Publix is not everywhere, you know what I'm saying? But if you have one, you already know what I'm talking about. Publix lemonade is so freaking good. Next, we're gonna toss in some Welch's passion fruit juice. Go ahead and get that in there as well. We're kind of doing like a half and half ratio when it comes to the lemonade and passion fruit. I'm definitely eyeballing it. And next, the secret ingredient, some almond extract. This right here goes back to my Haitian roots. When we used to make like limeade or lemonade, we always used to put the almond extract in there. Next, you're gonna toss in your favorite vodka. I'm using Tito's. It makes an excellent mixer, and it's definitely budget friendly. I tossed a lot more in there than I initially thought I did. Again, I'm eyeballing everything, and yeah, this thing is definitely spiked to the T. Go ahead and turn your Ninja on, hit the spike slush mode, and let it do its thing. What I love about this thing, it really is so effortless, and it makes your slushy so quick. I think in like less than 20 minutes or so, you're already ready to drink. You know what I mean? This is how you should be looking. I love this thing already. There's so many things I can make with this. Frappes, milkshakes, the options are endless, baby. Go ahead and, you know, pull down that lever like so. Dispense that goodness into your favorite cup, and you are pretty much ready to sip and have a great time. This is gonna be awesome when I have get-togethers and whatnot. I think it keeps going continuously for up to 12 hours, which is really awesome. Like I said, if you have a party or whatever, this is gonna steal the show. Secret to getting one of these paying retail is getting on the wait list. If you go to Ninja's website and you hit the wait list, it will send you an email when they're back in stock. That's how I got mine. The other way is paying over retail. Like I seen some on Amazon going for way above retail, and on eBay way above retail. I think these are supposed to be like $2.99, and I'm seeing them anywhere between like $350 to $400 depending on where you go. I wasn't gonna do that. I waited to get mine for the price it was supposed to be at, and it was well worth the wait. Go ahead and get you one. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.